Hello, this is James again from Denmark. Today we are going to deliver a 1000 pass type laser cleaning machine. This one. So this is the pass type. You can take a close look. Okay. So this is water chiller. It's just keep the temperature for the laser source. And this is the laser source customized for customer. So which is has better light beam quality. And this is the control system. You can take a look. You can see this. You can adjust the power, and you can adjust it as you can see. Okay. And here is the frequency and the pass width. Also, we have different patterns: line, wave, rectangle, and spiral wave, different wave, and triangle, and 2D type. And here you have a database for different materials, so you can just very easy for you to choose different material parameters like floor, paint, wood, rust, oxidization, grace, high, and titanium. Okay, and here is a patented laser head. You can see this is a 2D head, and the feature is that you can see there is the screen on it, so you can adjust the parameters on the head. So no need to go to the control screen on the cabinet. It's very convenient for you. Okay. So today we'll just test titanium material with this machine and show you the cleaning effect. Okay. Now let's get started. Okay. First, turn on the machine. And here is a sample from our customer. We need to remove the paint, the coating on the titanium. So now let's ignition the laser. It's very shiny. As you can see, it's clean very fast. So let's go on the other area. And now let's clean again. Get the best cleaning effect. So now let's see the cleaning effect. It's very smooth and very clean, very shiny. Good effect.